So what is up, YouTube? Well, everybody gets a car and they want to show off and stuff, especially the Mahindra Thar. But I'm going to do my part today by actually cleaning up this dirty sign, right? You see these signs all over the directions. It looks filthy. So I'm going to use my Mahindra Thar, the big boy there, and I'm going to get that cleaned up, right? So yeah. Alright, so these are the tools that I've got. Just a bucket, some water, and yeah, this also. So yeah, let's get this started. Alright, so you know, we've all got the power in our hands, so let's do something and get this shit cleaned up and make India proud. Yeah, see, that's it. I know I can't reach too much, but I'm trying my best here to like clean it. So that's my part that I did today. I couldn't reach the top part, but it's something better than nothing. And for all you people out there, it's the least you could do. Keep those signs clean, you know. So that's 1 out of 10. Gonna hit the road and do some more, yeah? So peace. Yeah, pause it. Alright guys, so we found another filthy fucking sign right there that nobody gives a fuck about. So let's go ahead and clean that one also now. As usual, I've got my simple tools right here. Some water. Alright. And also I got a scrubber inside here. But I think a sponge would do really good to clean this up. Yeah? Alright, so let's begin. Alright, so we got this cleaned up a little bit. We got this all nicely cleaned up. So that was pretty simple, nothing difficult in doing that. So let's go ahead and get the next big boy, next dirty boy up the road. This sign here, it looks like fucking shit. So it's time for us to go ahead and clean this shit. Come on in. Let's get our usual tools here. Let's get our usual tools as usual. Bottle of water here, and we're going to clean this bad boy. Me as an Indian citizen, this is the least I could do. Get this shit cleaned when nobody else gives a damn about it. I'm going to do something about it. Looks much better. See, simple. Just get a sponge and get that clean, right? So that's my part of being an Indian. So let's go down to the next one. Yeah, see you. As you can see, guys, completely neglected. Nobody gives a damn about it. I just can't stand there and do nothing about it. So let me do my part right now and get this guy cleaned. It looks like really, really disheartening. Look at that. Alright. Got the usual bucket right now. Got the usual bucket filled with water and a sponge here. Let's see if I can reach that and try to get that clean. Alright, guess that was like really high. My hands are like all filled with mud and stuff, but at least I got the bottom part clean. So this highway right here goes to Goa, and to be precise, I'm near Udupi right now. So this is actually the fourth one that I try to clean today. I'm gonna head out in this direction, find more. So I don't know how many I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna definitely reach Goa. I'm gonna do the same thing in Goa also. So stay tuned, subscribe, like and share. Yeah, see you, and keep India clean. It's the only country that we Indians got, and we gotta keep it clean and be proud of it. Yep. Peace.